वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः
प्रथमः पादः
प्रथमः पादः
समर्थः पदविधिः
समर्थः पदविधिः
शुभामन्त्रते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
सह सुपा
सह सुपा
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययं विभक्तिसमीपसमृद्धिर्हृद्यर्था भावात्यया सम्प्रतिशब्दप्रादुर्भावपश्चादिथानुपूर्वयोगपद्यसादृश्यसम्पत्तिसाकल्यान्तवचनेषु
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्धि भावात्यया संप्रति शब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चाद्यतानुपूर्व्य योग पद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यांत वचनेषु
यथा सादृश्ये
यथा सादृश्ये
यावदवधारणे सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
अक्षशलाकाः संख्याः परिणाम
अक्षशलाकासंख्यापरिणाम्ना
विभाषा
विभाषा
अपपरिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
अपपरिबहिरञ्च
आङ्मर्यादाभिविध्योः
मर्यादाभिविध्योः
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
अनुर्यत्समया
अनुर्यत्समया
यस्य चायामः
यस्य चायामः
तिष्ठद्गुप्रवृत्तीनि च
तिष्ठद्गुप्रवृत्तीनि च
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
सङ्ख्यावंश्येन
संख्यावंशेन
नदीभिश्च
नदीभिश्च
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञाया
तत्पुरुषः
तत्पुरुषः
द्विगुश्च
द्विगुश्च
द्वितीयाश्रितातीतपतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
द्वितीयाश्रितातीतपतितगताह्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
स्वयं तेन
स्वयं तेन
खट्वा क्षेपे
खट्वाक्षेपे
सामी
सामी
कालाः
कालाः
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुनमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुनमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
अन्येन व्यञ्जनम्
अन्येन व्यञ्जनम्
भक्ष्येण मिश्रीकरणम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
पञ्चमी भयेन
पञ्चमी भयेन
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
शोकान्तिकदूरार्ते कृच्छ्राणित्थेन
शोकान्तिकदूरार्तकृच्छ्राणितेन
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
द्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
ध्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
कृत्यैर्णे
कृत्यैर्णे
संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायाम्
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तत्र
तत्र
क्षेपे
क्षेपे
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पूर्वकालैक सर्वजरत्पुराणवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्वकालैक
पूर्वकालैक
सर्वजरत्पुराण
सर्वजरत्पुराण
नवकेवलाः
नवकेवलाः
समानाधिकरणेन
समानाधिकरणेन
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
दिक्सङ्ख्ये
दिक्सङ्ख्ये
संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायाम्
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
सङ्ख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
संख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
कुत्सितानि
कुत्सितानि
कुत्सनैः
कुत्सनैः
पापानके कुत्सितैः
पापाणके
पापानके
कुत्सितैः
कुत्सितैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमानानि
उपमानानि
सामान्यवचनैः
सामान्यवचनैः
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
उपमितं
उपमितं
व्याघ्रादिभिः
व्याघ्रादिभिः
सामान्या
सामान्या
प्रयोगे
प्रयोगे
विशेषणं विशेष्येन बहुलम्
विशेषणं
विशेषणं
विशेष्येन
बहुलम्
बहुलम्
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमजघन्यसमानमध्यमध्यमवीराश्च
पूर्वापरप्रथमजघन्य
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमजन्य
समानमध्यमध्यमवीराश्च
समानमध्यमध्यमवीराश्च वीराश्च
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
श्रेण्यादयकृतादिभिः
श्रेण्यादयकृतादिभिः
तेन नञ् विशिष्टेनानञ्
तेन
तेन
नञ्
विशिष्टेन नञ्
सन्मगत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
सन्महत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः
सन्महत्परमोत्कृष्टाः
पूज्यमानैः
पूज्यमानैः
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः
पूज्यमानम्
कतरकतमो जातिपरिप्रश्ने
कतरकतमो
कतरकतमो
जातिपरिप्रश्ने
जातिपरिप्रश्ने
किं क्षेपे
किं
किं
क्षेपे
क्षेपे
ओटा युवतिस्तोककतिपयदृष्टिधेनुवशावेगत्पष्कयनी प्रवक्तृश्रोत्रियाध्यापक दूर्दैर्जातिः
कोटा
कोटयुवति
युवतिस्तोककतिपय
स्तोककतिपय
दृष्टिधेनुवशा
दृष्टिधेनुवशा
वेहद्
बष्कयन्
प्रवक्तृ श्रोत्रियाध्यापक
श्रोत्रियाध्यापक
धूर्तैः
धूर्तैर्जातिः
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
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 युवा खलति फलितवलिनजरतीभिः
युवा
युवा
खलति
खलति
फलितवलिन
फलितवलिनचरतीभिः
झरतीभिः
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
कृत्यतुल्याख्या
कृत्यतुल्याख्या
अजात्या
वर्णो वर्णेन
वर्णो
वर्णो
वर्णेन
वर्णेन
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
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 चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
चतुष्पादो
चतुष्पादो
गर्भिण्या
गर्भिण्या
मयूरविंसकादयश्च
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 इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
इति
इति
पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
पादः
प्रथमः पादः
अथ द्वितीयः पादः
अथ
अथ
द्वितीयः
द्वितीयः
पादः
पादः
पूर्वापरादरोत्तरमेकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
पूर्वापराधरोत्तरमेकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
पूर्वापराधरोत्तरमैकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
नपुंसकम्
द्वितीयतृतीयचतुर्थतुर्यान्यन्यतरस्याम्
द्वितीय
द्वितीय
तृतीय
तृतीय
चतुर्थतुर्यान्यन्यतरस्याम्
चतुर्थतुर्यान्यतरस्याम्
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
प्रातापन्ये च तीयया
कालाः परिमाणिनाम्
कालापरिमाण्या
नञ्
नञ्ज
ईषदकृताम्
ईषदकृता
षष्ठी
षष्ठी
याजकादिभिश्च
याजकादिभिश्च
न निर्धारणे
न निर्धारणे
पूरणगुणसुहितार्थसदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
पूर्णगुणसुहितार्थ सदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
तेन च पूजायाम्
तेन च पूजायाम्
अधिकरणवाचिना च
अधिकरणवाचिना च
कर्मणि च
कर्मणि च
त्रिजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
सृजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
उगतिप्रादयः
कुगतिप्रादयः
उपपदमतिं
उपपदमतिम्
अमैवाव्ययेन
अमैवाव्ययेन
तृतीया प्रवृत्तिं यन्यतरस्याम्
तृतीया प्रवृत्तिनन्यतरस्याम्
त्वाच
त्वाच
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
संख्यया व्ययासन्नादूरादिकसंख्या संख्येये
संख्ययाव्ययसन्नाधूरादिकसंख्याः संख्येये
दिङ्नामान्यन्तराले
दिङ्नामान्यन्तराले
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
अजाद्यदन्तम् उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम् द्वन्द्वेगी
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
निष्ठा
निष्ठा
वाहिताग्न्यादिषु
वाहितादिषु
कडाराक्षर्मधारये
कडाराकर्मधारये
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
अलुत्तरपदे
अलुत्तरपदे
पञ्चम्या स्तोकादिव्यः
पञ्चम्या स्तोकादिव्यः
ओजस्सहोम्बस्तमस्तृतीयायाः
ओजस्सहोम्बस्तमस्तृतीयायाः
मनस्संज्ञायाम्
मनस्संज्ञायाम्
आज्ञायिनि च
आज्ञायिनि च
आत्मनश्च पूरणे
आत्मनश्च पूर्णे
वैयाकरणाख्यायां चतुर्थ्याः
वैयाकरणाख्यायां चतुर्थ्याः
परस्य च
परस्य च
अलदन्ता सप्तम्या संज्ञायाम्
हलदन्ता सप्तम्या संज्ञाया
कारणानि च प्राचा हलादौ
कारणानि च
कारणानि च
प्राचाहलादौ
प्राचां हलादौ
मध्यात्पुरौ
मध्यात्पुरौ
अमूर्धमस्तका स्वाङ्गादकामे
ममोर्धमस्तकामे
बन्धे च विभाषा
बन्धे च विभाषा
तत्पुरुषे कृतिबहुलम्
तत्पुरुषे कृतिबहुलम्
बहुलम्
प्रावृट्शरत्कालदिवाञ्जे
शरत्कालदिवाब्जे
विभाषा वर्षक्षरशरवरात्
शरवरात्
यथालतनेषु कालनाम्नः
कालतनेषु कालनाम्नः
शयवासवासिष्वकालात्
क्षयवासवाश्वकालात्
नेन्सिद्धभद्रातिषु च
नेन्सिद्धबध्नातिषु च
ते च भाषायाम्
ते
ते
च
च
भाषायाम्
Today we will see Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Before that, in the Aluguttara Pade in the last class, Nen Siddha Badhnatishu Cha. Here I told on Paribhasha, you will be remembering. Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahana. That is the general Paribhasha. Meaning, what is the meaning? Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahana.
Whatever rules we apply for pratyaya will be for the word ending with the pra. When the pratyaya
That
is
is not
added
Tadanta
to the
Vidhi. Whenever Pratyaya is there, mentioned in the Vidhi,
the
Pratyaya is
vidhi is
mentioned.
ordained with the mention of the pratyaya, and the word ending with that pratyaya.
No, not Tadanta Vidhi. Pratyaya. We are not talking about Tadanta Vidhi.
Tadanta grahanam or paribhasha.
Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahana. In the Sutra, when Pratyaya is mentioned, just a Pratyaya, it means we have to take, because Pratyaya alone cannot be there. It should be with the Prakriti, right? It should be Pratipadikam or Dhatu. Can Pratyaya alone be there? Pratyaya is
No.
added to some Prakriti, right?
Yeah.
So Pratyaya Grahane, whenever a Vidhi is mentioned, just a Pratyaya is there. Then we understand that Pratyaya is not just a Pratyaya, it is for the word ending with the Pratyaya, right?
Yeah, no,
The word
along
ending
with
with the
the
Pratyaya, Grahanam. Tadanta Grahanam. That Tadanta means that Pratyayanta Shabda. It could be Kradanta, it could be anything, right? Any word. It could be Kradanta, Taditanta, whatever it is. So that is the general Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta. Example, Sahasupa, we saw that, right? What is Sahasupa? In the Savartha Padavidihi, the first, just now we chanted, Sahasupa.
Supasa.
Sup is Pratyaya. Supa is Tritya Vibhakti. So, from the second sutra, 212, Sup comes as Anuvrutti for the fourth sutra. Supa is the Tritiya. So, Sup means Sup Supasaha Samasyate. Can Pratyaya alone combine and become Samasa? No. Sup means Subantam. Right?
Yeah.
Subantam, Supa. Subantena Saha Samasyate Samasaha Bhavati. That is what we say, right?
Yes.
That is the meaning of Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam. So when only Sup is mentioned, from that we understand it is the Subantam, Antam, Supratyantam, right? That is what Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam. And I also told, when it comes to Sanya, definition of a word, there we cannot apply Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahana Paribhasha. Wherever Sanya is there, wherever Sanya is mentioned, defined, there Anta must be there with the Pratyaya. There we cannot apply Tadanta Grahanam. Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam. Example, Suptingantam Padam. If Sagasupa he says, why not Supting Padam? Why not he says Suptingantam Padam? Why didn't Panini Maharshi say like that? Because it is a Sanya Sutram. So in Sanya Sutram it is not applicable. What? Not applicable? Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahana Paribhasha. Not applicable. Right? This also we saw.
Yes.
Did I mention it? I think I mentioned somewhere here. I wrote it. Cannot be. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. Let's see. Sanya without Tadanta Grahana Pratishedaha. We are not talking about Tadanta Vidhi, that is different. Yena Vidhi Tadantasya, that is different. Here we are talking about when Pratyaya is there, it means we understand Pratyayanta Shabda. But it is prohibited in Sanya Vidhi. That is Sanya Sutra. Vidhi Sutra, it is applicable. Now, in Uttarapada Adhikara, it means this Aluguttarapada 631 also, Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam na ishyate. That is also, it is Tadanta Vidhi is na ishyate. It is not applicable. That Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam is not applicable even for Uttarapada Adhikara. That is 6.3 chapter. There also, Tadanta Vidhi is prohibited. Right? So, Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam general paribhasha, that is prohibited in two places. One is in Sanya Vidhi, other one is in the Alup Uttarapada section. Right?
Yes, Jay.
For that only why we discuss this, because of this Apoyoni and Matusu Saptamya Alup Uttavyaha. Here Matu and Yet, these are the Pratyaya. Only Pratyaya is not Tadanta Grahanam, not the word ending with the Pratyaya. And this happens with Adita Pratyaya added to the Saptamyantam up plus Saptami Vibhakti, then Yet Pratyaya. Adita Pratyaya is added to the Pradipadikam, the Padam, and here the Padam is up plus Su. So here Yet Pratyaya only added, not the Pratyayanta. That is how Tadita is added. Tadita Pratyayas are added to a Padam to get a new Pratipadikam. So this is a Padam, Apsu, Saptamyantam, Apshabda. So here we don't apply Tadanta Grahanam. Why? Because this Vartika is in Aluguttarapada section 6.3. So Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahana Nishedaha. Right? Similarly, another example also, Matup also same way. Matup we know Tadasya Asti, Asminiti, that which is endowed with in that meaning. Here also Matup only, not Matup Anta Shabda. Right? Understand? This we saw
Yes,
last class very clearly. Now,
yes.
One more point I didn't say that. That is, in the 6.3.19 Sutra, Nen Siddhabadnatishu, na in Siddhabadnatishu. Here, in is what? In is Pratyaya. What Pratyaya? It is a Krit Pratyaya, not a Tadita Pratyaya, Krit Pratyaya, Nini Pratyaya. Here the in is Krit Pratyaya. But here I have said innante. Somebody asked also.
Yes. Yeah,
Here why how Tadita, how the Tadanta Grahanam, it is Pratishedaha, just we said. And but here what happens? I say Inanta follows the Uttarapada. Inanta follows the Uttarapada. Inante Uttarapade. Saptami becomes Lut when it is followed by the Inanta Uttarapade, Siddha Shabde, Badrati, Chaparataha, Saptamyaha, Aluk Nabhavati. So here only in is mentioned, but Innante we have taken. It means Tadanta Grahanam, Pratyaya Tadanta Grahanam is applied. Is it not contradictory to what we said? Yes or no?
Yes, Jay.
It's contradictory. You see the example. Standilavarti plus Sut. And here what we take? We take the Nini, the content of Nini is in. That's what in. But we take in anta. That is, it is Nini pratyaya, Krut pratyaya. Being a Krut pratyaya, to what you add? Krut pratyas are added to. Sorry, yeah. Krut pratyas are added to. Added to what? To become Pratipadikam.
Dhatus.
Dhatu only you will add, right? Krut pratyas are added to Dhatu. Tadita pratyas are added to the Pratipadikam or Padam, you can say, no problem. Right? Because why I say Pratipadikam is, for Tadita pratyaya, the sup will go away, therefore Padam, therefore Pratipadikam. Or you can say Padam or Pratipadikam, it's not a problem. Okay, for Tadita. Really speaking, we add to you a Padam only, Tadita pratyaya. But then we can say Pratipadikam also, it's not a problem. But Krut pratyaya, Nini pratyaya, that is in pratyaya, added to Dhatu only. So therefore, here you cannot say, in anta you cannot say. Because being a Krut pratyaya, here in is Krut pratyaya, not Tadita pratyaya. If it's Tadita pratyaya, then okay, you can say. But it's a Krut pratyaya. Therefore, we have to say in anta. That's a small note. Okay. That is a small note we have to be aware of this year. Why inanta? Because being a Krut pratyaya, since it cannot be added just like that to the Pratipadikam or the Padam, since it should be added to a Dhatu, therefore we have to say inanta. Without saying, he's saying that's all. Pani Maharishi here, just to say in, not inanta, I didn't say, but we understand inanta because the pratyaya happens to be the Krut pratyaya. You may ask why Nini can't be a Tadita pratyaya? No, because there is no Tadita pratyaya. The in pratyaya is a Tadita, but in pratyaya added to the Saptami Samartha, not there. There is no Sutra. So since it is not possible, therefore in has to be the Krut pratyaya only. Being Krut, it must be added to a Dhatu. Therefore, we have to take inanta. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
All these things are it's a subtle thing, but try to, I just put as a note here. Yeah. First we say Pratyeka Dadanta Gruna. Then it is Nishedaha. And here it is again, this applicable because here Krut pratyaya, right?
Yeah.
All right here. This Nini is Nini pratyaya whose content is equal to in. This being a Krut pratyaya, this being a Krut pratyaya, this being a Krut pratyaya must be added to a Dhatu. Will be added to a Dhatu. Therefore, must be added to a Dhatu. Therefore, Pratyanta Grahanam must be done. Pratyanta Grahanam should be considered. Is there why not in pratyaya be the Tadita pratyaya? Why not this? Why not in taken to be Tadita pratyaya? So that we can avoid this Pratyanta Grahanam, right? No, because there are no, because as there is no in pratyaya. In pratyaya is there, but in pratyaya added to, there is no in pratyaya added to saptami, saptami arte. Added to saptami samartha. Saptami samartha padam. Not there. Because there is no in pratyaya added to saptami samartha padam in the ashtadhyayi. Therefore, it has to be krit in. It has to be krit in. It has to be krit pratyaya. And therefore, and hence pratyagranam can be considered. This is a small note, right? Understand?
Yes, Ji.
Yes. Okay. This is over. Palagutra Pada is done. A small note. Missed that in the last class. Okay. Then, now Shashti will do. Shashti Tat Purusha Samasaha. Shashti is there in 2 to 8. Shashti 2 to 8. Here, Shashti is what vibhakti? Pratama vibhakti, right?
Prathama Vibhakti.
Pratama vibhakti. Therefore,
Upasarjanam. Pura.
therefore it gets a sanya upasarjanam. Shashti is pratama vibhakti. Therefore, it is upasarjanam. Upasarjanatvat
Purva.
samase pratama nirdeshtam upasarjanam purvam bhavati. Right?
Yes.
So, therefore we can say, I'll write the sutra and just write this virti also, simple virti. P. You see my screen, right? What file? 218.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
Now, how to write the
2
2 to 8?
2 to 8.
Yeah, 2 to 8. Yes. How to write the vritti? Vritti is Shashtiyantam Subantam Padam Samartena Subantena Samasyate Tat Purusha Samasa Bhavati. Right?
Yes.
You can see here the Kashika, just the same thing. I will copy. Shashtiyantam Subantam Samartena Subantena Saka Samasyate Samasaha Tat Purusha Samasa Bhavati. Rajnyaha Purusha Raja Purushaha. And we'll discuss more examples and little more on this. Shashtiyantam Subantam Padam Samartena Subantena Saka Samasyate Samasaha Bhavati. Rajnyaha Purushaha Raja Purushaha. One more example is given in there. It is Brahmana Kambalaha. Brahmana Kambalaha. Brahmana Kambalaha means Brahmanasya or Brahmananam. Kambalaha. Brahmana Kambalaha. It is also Shashti Tat Purusha Samasa. We have to discuss little more on Shashti. We will see. So we know how the Raja Purushaha comes. First to be, what is the step? Raja Purushaha. First we write the Alokika Vigraha.
Yeah.
First we write the Alokika Vigraha. Rajan plus Purusha, Rajan plus Nas plus Purusha
Nas.
plus 2. Anyway, we know it just for the steps. I write that again. Rajan plus Nas, then Purusha plus Su. Rajnaha Purushaha is equal to, first we have to write the Alokika, this is called Alokika Vigraha. Rajnaha Purushaha. First step is we have to write the Alokika Vigraha. Now this whole thing is a Pratipadikam and therefore Samasa. Kirtatita Samasascha Pratipadikam. Pratipadikatvat. Supodhatu Pratipadikayogo Luk Bhavati. So therefore Supratyaya will drop. So Rajan and Su. Pratyagrane Tadanta Pratyalope Pratyalakshana. Nalmata Angasya. So here Rajan will enjoy that Padasanya also. Will enjoy continue to enjoy Padasanya, Pratipadika Sanya also. Therefore, sorry, here it is Purusha, not Su. No? This Nakara, Pralopaha Pradipadikantasya, we can apply. Therefore, you have Raja Purusha. Right? Now, this Nakara goes away, that because of that anything happens? No. Why? Because Nakara is Ekadesha Vikrutam Ananyavat. Because Nakara is gone, it is not that Shabda has become something different. It is same Rajan Shabda only. So therefore, no problem. Because Nakara goes away, therefore don't think this Shabda, Rajan, this has become some other Shabda. No. Ekadesha Vikrutam Ananyavata, that is a paribhasha. Ekadesha Vikrutam, because Ekadesha, because there is some change in some place, that it is not going to be something different. It is same thing only. So these are the steps. First is Alokika Vigraha, then the whole thing Kirtatita Samasasya Pratipadikam, Supodhatu Pratipadikyogo Lut, then Nalopaha Pradipadikantasya, then we say Ekadesha Vikrutam Ananyavat, therefore finally you get Raja Purusha, then so that you can add Supratayas, you get Raja Purushaha, Raja Purusho, Raja Purushaha iti. These are the steps we know, but still remind us these steps. This is how we get Raja Purushaha. Then some more examples. We will do the other way. I will give the okay, I will write the as it is. Brahmanaha Vicharaha. Brahmanaha Vicharaha is what Tamasa? Tamasa would be Brahma Vicharaha, right?
Brahma Vichara.
Brahma Vidya. Brahmanaha Vidya will be
Brahma Vidya.
Brahma Vidya.
what is the Brahma Vidya? Is a Vidya belongs to Brahman?
No, it's about Brahma.
It is given by Brahma.
Not
Given.
given by
About
Brahma.
Brahma.
No,
It's
Brahman is
about
not Brahmaji. Satchitananda Brahma.
It is about Brahma.
About Brahma.
Brahman.
Swamiji always says this. The translation should be the knowledge for which the subject matter is Brahma. That is the best translation. Brahmanaha Vidya, Brahma Vidya. Vidya meaning knowledge. The knowledge for which the subject matter is Brahma. Vichara for which the subject matter is Brahma. Vichara analysis. So Brahma Vidya. Otherwise, what will happen? As though the Vidya belongs to Brahma, the problem. Like that ownership, mine, that Brahma Vidya, that becomes a problem. That is not here. The translation should be proper. Atmanaha Jnanam.
Atmajnana.
Atma Jnanam. So Atman Shabda Nakaranta, same as we do here, therefore you get Atma Jnanam. Rajnyaha Dani becomes
Rajajnana.
Rajnyaha Dani is what is Rajadhani?
Rajadhani.
Rajadhani means
Capital.
Capital.
Rajnyaha Dani, Rajadhani. So therefore capital. Paramatmanaha bhaktihi.
Paramatma Bhakti.
Paramatma
Bhakti.
Bhaktihi.
then Swaminaha seva.
Swami Seva.
Swaminaha seva.
Swami Seva.
Swami Seva.
Swami seva. Roginaha charya.
Rogi
Rogi
Charya.
Charya.
Rogi charya. Roginaha is disease. What is charya?
Treatment.
Treatment. The char dhatu. What is char? Char is to charati. move,
Roaming.
To
right?
move.
Roaming. Ah,
That is Roginaha charya. The movement means you can take it as not physically, their movement, their behavior, their observing, right? Observation. Charya. Roginaha charya, roga charya. So these are all the examples where we see the nakara becoming lopa. Right? Now, Chetasaha vritti. Chetas means mind, manaha. Manasaha vrittihi, chetasaha vrittihi, same. Chetasaha vrittihi,
Cheta Vrittihi.
cheta vrittihi. Now let us do that. What is chetasaha? What vibhakti is chetasaha?
Sashti.
Therefore, chetas
Chetas.
pratipadikam, right?
Ah,
Yes.
Pratis. Chetas.
Plus
Plus
nas.
Yes.
Yes.
Vritti plus.
Plus Su.
This is alaukika vigraha. Then supodhatu pratipadika yoga apply. So what will happen?
Nas will go.
Nas and su will go away. Therefore you will have
Chetas Vritti.
chetas vritti. What is chetas and what is vritti now? It is both padam as well as
Both Padam and
Bhakti.
pratipadikam. The whole thing is a pratipadikam. And within the pratipadikam we have chetas as a padam. It enjoys the sanya. Pratyay lope pratyay lakshanam pada sanya. And chetas happens to be pratipadikam also. Right? Similarly vritti.
Hetu Vritti.
If it is a padam, then you cannot add supratyaya. Therefore, if only a padam, you cannot add supratyaya. It is a pratipadikam also. So padam also, pratipadikam also. Therefore, what is
So it
sakara
will
here?
become
Padanta
Padanta
Sakara
Sakara.
Ru.
So Ru
Padanta
Visarga
sakara. Therefore, what will happen?
Ru.
will become Ru
Then
Then it will become small.
Visarga.
Visarga. Then Wo.
then
Cheto.
it's not
Cheto.
visarga.
Yeah.
Ru, because it is u, then cheto,
Cheto Vritti.
ashicha will apply, right?
Yes.
Atoro aprodad aplode ashicha, cheto vritti. It is mano vritti, like that it is. Therefore, not cheta vritti.
Cheta Vritti. Ah.
So when you decline vrittihi vritti vrittayaha becomes cheto vrittihi cheto vrittihi vritti cheto vrittayaha chetasaha vrittihi manasaha vrittihi same. What is manasaha? All sakaranda shabda.
So Mano
Mano
Vrittihi.
vrittihi, right? Mano vrittihi. So here you can see these are all sakaranta. Another sakaranta. Tapasaha vana. Nice word. You know what it is. Tapasaha vana is,
Tapovanam. Tapovanam.
you know Tapovan Maharaj.
Yeah.
And Tapovanam is a place is there. Tapovan Maharaj, Guru of Chinmayananda. In fact, he is the source from where that tradition has come. This Tapovan Maharaj, contemporary of some Shivananda. So Tapahavanam, Tapasahavanam, Tapovanam.
Comes in Ramayana also. No? Tapovanam.
Tapovanam is there. Yes, his
No,
name is
here-
Tapovan. Swami's name is Tapovan Maharaj. Yes, Tapovanam is there. Yes.
And here Tirukovilur also Tapovanam and
Yes, yes,
ashram is there.
Tapovan, yes.
Jnananda Swami.
Jnananda Saraswati, yes. Near Tiruvannamalai. Then Jnanananda Tapovanam it is called. Manasaha, Vikaraha. Manovikara.
Manovikar.
Already I have given Manovritti. It's the same thing only. Vedasaha. Rachana.
Vedas, so Vedor Rachana.
Vedho, not Vedur. Vedho Rachana, right?
Rachana.
Who is Vedas? We have seen the Shabda also. Vedaha, Vedasa, we've seen Tade Pravesha. Vedaha, Vedaso, Vedasaha. Vedasam, Vedaso, Vedasaha. Vedasa, Vedhobhyam, right?
Oh, yes.
Vedas is Brahmaji. Vedasaha Rachana is Rachana written. That which is Rachana, the write-up, written. What is written? Likita. Yat likitam, tena. Right? That is writing. Rachana. So Vedho Rachana. So here you can see in all the Shabda, the Sakara becoming Ru, and Ru is replaced by U and Ru, and finally, and then becomes Guna, right? That's how we get it. Right? So Nakaranta becoming Lopa, and that example we saw. Sakaranta means you have to remember this Sakaranta, Padanta Sakara becoming Ru, etc. That steps you have to follow.
Yes.
Next one. Next one is Urasaha Kampaha. You tell what will happen here. Think. What is Urasaha?
The Urasi.
Urasaha Kampaha. Uras means just Urasi Gachati iti Uragaha, snake. But Urasaha Kampaha is shake, agitation. So Uras is chest. Uras is chest only.
Okay.
Urasaha Kampaha. Palpitation of the heart. Okay, nothing, don't think so much, that's simple. English translation, palpitation of the heart.
Okay.
Heart, the chest.
So Pratipadika is Uras only.
Uras.
Okay.
Uraha, what Pratipadikam is Uras? It is Napumsakalinga. Yes, Napumsakalinga. How it will be now? What will be the okay? How it is declined? Uras Shabda, Uraha, Urasi, Uramsi. I think it is must be Napumsakalinga. Okay. Now, what is the samasa? Or what is the samasta padam?
Uras plus Uras plus Kam.
The same thing.
Same thing. Uro.
Not Urav. This is
Uro, it's not looking nice.
just make it here Uras, and here it is Kampaha. Here Kampa. So now what will happen? Padanta Sakara, Uras, fine.
Followed by Kap.
Followed by Ka.
So Ardha Visarga.
Therefore, Ardha Visarga, or that will be there.
Ura.
So you cannot replace it by. You cannot replace it by U. Therefore, become Padanta Sakara. When followed by Kar, it has to become Visarga. Therefore, becomes Urakampaha. Urakampa plus Su becomes Urakampaha, Urakampo, Urakampaha. I can decline. Right?
Yes.
Similarly, another one. Chetasaha, Prasadaha. Chetasaha, Prasadaha is
Followed by, okay. Here also.
followed by Karlata.
So Chetaf Prasada.
Chetaf Prasada. All these calculations we can do mentally.
Yes.
Chetaf Prasadaha. Manasaha Sthitihi, condition of the mind.
Sakara followed by Sakara.
Manas.
Manasthiti.
Or
Sthiti.
Or
or
Manasthiti.
Manahastiti.
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 Manahastiti. Now it is, if it is A compound, it will be like this. To show you that there is no gap means it's a compound. If it is a Vyasta Padam, then it is Manaha Stitihi. There it is different meaning maybe. Manaha is mind. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Stitihi is condition. So different. Manasaha Stitihi means state of the mind. There we can make samasa. Okay. So when it's a compound here means sakara, when the visarga must be followed by sakara immediately. No gap, no avasana here. Okay. So because of compound. Or we can make like this. Manastitihi, sakara, vashari, right?
Vashari.
But compound should not be written like this. Space here, then stitihi. So it will give an idea this is a padam.
Separate word. Yeah.
Separate word. There was no samasa there. Okay, then the next one. Vachasaha prayogaha
Here also
become.
pakara. So
What is vachasaha?
vacha.
Sakaranta shabda. Vachas means words.
Words vach.
So vachasaha prayogaha becomes vachah prayogaha.
Vacha prayoga. Okay.
Same step you follow like this.
Mhm.
Here kakara and here pakara.
Pakara.
Then Yashasaha Abhilashaha. Please do. And please
Yashas, Yashas, and then Abhilashaha. Yashas, Sakara, then
So it is O will Hukara Visarga is
Yes,
Purva Rupa.
Yashas,
exactly.
that will become Ru will become
Yashobhilasha.
So Yasho Bilash.
Yashobhilasha.
Yashobhilashaha. Purva Rupam also will happen. Therefore, you will have Yashobhilasha, Yashobhilashaha, Yashasaha Abhilashaha, Yashobhilashaha. Here, Yashas. Abhilashaha, right?
Yes.
The Sakara, Padanta Sakara, replaced by Ru. Ru will become U. A plus U become O. Then Purva Rupa Sandhi. Therefore, become Sandhi is must or optional.
It's a must.
Samase Nitya.
Nityam bhavati.
Samhita Nitya. So Yashobhilashaha is Samastapadam. Then Tapasaha Antaha. The end of the tapas.
So
Tapontaha.
Tapontaha.
It is Tapontaha. Pururupa Tapontaha. Manasaha Avastha.
Manovasta.
No.
It also Purva Rupa.
Pururupa. Manovastha. So all these places we apply the Ru and then U and then whatever it is. Ataro Padata Plite Ashicha. Right?
Hmm.
Then another interesting thing. Okay. Tasya Purushaha. That's what it is.
Is Saha Shabda.
Okay, Tasya is this one. Okay.
So
Sapurushaha.
Purushaha.
Really?
Tadpur.
Tatpurushaha.
Tatpurushaha.
Tadpurusha.
Tat Shabdasya Shashti Vibhakti Tasya.
Tad.
Therefore, Pratipadikam is Tat only. Tatpurushaha.
Tadpurusha.
Tasya Purushaha Tatpurushaha. Nrinam Patihi. Master of beings, human beings.
Here also Pakara is following. So Nranaha, Nrana Shabda. What is that?
Nrinam Patihi. Nru Shabda.
Nru.
Not Nrinaha. Okay. Nrinam Patihi. Shashti Vibhakti.
Okay.
Comes Niru is the Shabda. Therefore, you have Nrupatihi.
Okay. Nrupati.
Niru
Okay.
is
Yeah.
Nagaranta.
Okay. Nrupati.
It is there in Shabda Manjari, I think. Shabda. Is it there? It must be there. Rikaranta Shabda. Nrinam Patihi. If not, we will see that Shabda later. Anyway, in our Ashtadeva, we will see that, how it is declined and all. Rikaranta Shabda we have not seen. Rikaranta, Pitru, Matru, all this. So the decline will be like Pita, Pitaro, Pitaraha, Nunu will be na, narau, naraha iti rupam. Okay, we'll see that later. Simple only. So Nranam Patihi is
It's given as Pitru Shabda. Like,
Pitru Shabdavat only. Yeah. So simple. Nranam Patihi. Pitrunam. Right? Pitrunam.
yeah.
Pitrunam. Pitrunam. Two forms are there. I mean, sorry, only one form. It is Pitrunam or Pitrunam.
Pitrunam, Dirgha.
But here we have option. Nranam or Nrunam. Both are there. Okay. Either can take Nrunam or Nranam.
Yeah, iti Rupadvayam Visheshaha.
Yes, we can take both. Anyone. I have given short. Or maybe forward. Knowledge you have right. Nranam Patihi. Nrunam Patihi or Nranam Patihi. Nrupatihi. Okay. Naranam Patihi ityartha. Raja ityartha. Okay. Then Bhuvaha Patihi.
Bhupatihi.
Bhu is Shabda. Bhuhu, Bhuva. Not Dhatu. Okay. Bhuhu, Bhuvau, Bhuvaha. Bhuvam, Bhuva, Bhuhu. Bhuva, Bhubhyam. Declension is Ukaranda Shabda. Bhuvaha is Shashti Bhakti. Bhuvaha Patihi. Bhupatihi. Gangayaha Jalam.
Gangajalam.
Ganga
Gangajalam.
All these are simple words. Ashwasya Ghasaha. This we have seen.
Ashwagasa.
Ashwagasaha.
What is the meaning?
Grass.
Horse.
Horse. Ashwa means horse.
Gasa.
Gasaha is
Translation is
horse.
grass for the horse.
Okay.
Ashvaya Ghasaha should not say. Why?
Mm.
We have seen this before, the same example in Chaturthi. We have seen
Chaturthi,
Tadarthartha
yes.
Sukha Ita Bala Rakshitaihi. Please,
Yeah.
little go before. The same example we have taken there and we saw Ashvaghasaha. It is not Ashvaya Ghasaha. It is Ashvasya Ghasaha. I'll show you that.
Yeah,
It is
for counter example. Yeah.
counter example. We have seen that.
Yeah.
I'm preparing the edited notes of Samasa. Once I do it, I'll send you. Take some time. Then all some explanations and all I will writing, adding. So here you can see 2136 for that. Here, Upaya Daru, the Prakriti Vikriti connection must be there and all those things. So if you remember, Prakriti Vikriti, what is Prakriti? A word ending in a fourth case may optionally combine with what? Denotes that which is for the purpose of what? Which is for the purpose of what ends with the fourth case. Upaya Daru, Daru, which is meant for preparing Upa. Therefore, Upadharu. Kundalaya Hiranyam. Hiranyam, gold for making the Kundala. Similarly, Dwaraya Kashtam, Ghataya Pratika. So, for Samase, Prakriti Vikriti Bhavaha Ishtaha. But you cannot say Standana, Vodana, what is it? Stali. Randana is Stali, you cannot say. That is a problem. Stali for Randana, cooking. No. Here it is no, that's what Prakriti Vikriti Bhava. Prakriti must be converted into Vikriti. Raw material is converted into some form.
Some form.
Therefore, Randanaya Stali, I will make Samasa, Chaturthi Tatpurusha. No, here Samasa na bhavati, iga na bhavati. Because of some font problem, everything is joined. Okay. Iga na bhavati. So, in that context, we have seen many examples. Here you can see. Vitireka Udaharanam. Ashvasya Ghasaha. Ashvaghasaha. Not equal to Ashvaya Ghasaha. Ashvaya Ghasaha may be possible by Yoga Vibhaha. Right? Chaturthi, Tadartha, Artha, Bhala, Gita, Sukha, Rakshitaihi, that you do Yoga Vibhaha. And if the context requires, you can interpret Ashvaya Ghasaha. But as such, it is Ashvasya Ghasaha. Same example we have seen. Right? Ashvasya Ghasaha, Patasya Shala. Patasya Shala means school, place of study. Pasasya Bhavanam, place of residence. Pasa Bhavanam. You remember this sutra, all of you?
Yes. Yeah. No.
Long back we saw, maybe a few months before. Now, where are we now? So therefore, the same example I am taking here, Ashvasya Ghasaha. Other examples also we can take. Vasasya Bhavanam, Vasa Bhavanam, etc. All those things you can. Grigasya Swami,
Grihaswami.
Swami or Swami, Alpa, Rasva Dirga,
Dirgha.
Swamin Shabda. Okay, Swami, like Kari,
Karino.
Karino, Karinaha, Swamino, Swaminaha. If it is Srilinga, then it will become, as Karin becomes, Karini, right? Karini is, Karin is Shabda. You want to convert it to Srilinga Rupam, add Vinnebhyaha Neep Pratyaya. That is E, is the content. E you add, becomes Karini, like Nadi Shabdavat, Nadi Nadyotyaha. So similarly, Swaminna, when you add E, becomes Swamini. But for sannyasi, there is no Swamini or Swami, what gender? But they use Swamini, but not required actually. Everybody is Swami only. Swamini, mistress, maybe master, mistress. In that sense, maybe Swami, Swamin, Swamini you can say. But the sannyasis also, they use Swamini, so and so. There is no gender. What gender is there for sannyasis? So anyway, it is used. The Vyavahara is that they use it. So Grigasya Swami, Samasa would be
Grihaswami.
Swami.
master of the house. Not Grihastha Swami. Right? Not Grihastha Ashrama Swami, sannyasi. That's contradictory, right? Grihaswami is master of the house. That's the translation. Grihaswami. Satam Sangatihi. What is Satam?
Sat. Oh, that will be the Pratipadika.
What is the meaning of Satam? What is the meaning of this word Satam Sangatihi?
Sant.
There's some good
Yes, what is that?
news like that.
Not good news. No. Good is correct, part is correct, news is not correct.
Some
Nothing to do with Varta here.
Association.
Not Vartam. Satam is what?
join.
Huh?
Association with good people.
Exactly.
Association.
Satsanga.
Oh,
Sangha.
okay.
Satpurusha. Sant. We say in Hindi, right? Sant.
Mm.
That's what Satam. Satam is.
Sangati.
Sangati. Satam Sangati. Satsanga ityartha. Satam. Association with good people, noble people. Therefore becomes
Satsangati.
Satam Sangati. Satsangati. Sat is the Pradipadikam. Satsangati. There are many examples like that. Now, another interesting example we'll see. Tava Putraha.
Tat Shabda. Tat Putra.
Tat Shabdava. No?
No.
Oh.
Yushmad Shabda.
Yushmad.
Yushmad.
Tava.
You
Tava
are.
Putraha. Mat Putraha. What will happen here? All these cases.
Tava is replaced by Tva.
Mama Putraha. Myself have given the answer. Tava Putraha is equal to. Okay. We'll see one sutram. We'll get the answer. Next sutram. It's about this Tava Putraha, Mat Putraha. Mama Putraha. Sutram is Pratyayottara Padayoscha. This is a sutram. 7 to 98. Pratyaya Uttara Padayoscha. Pratyaya Uttara Padayoscha. 7 to 98. I tell you what happens here. This 7 to 98 is what section? 7 to section, what section? Starting from 6-4 onwards up to 7-4. It is Anga, right? Anga section. Anga karya happens.
Yes.
So,
Anga.
Pratyayottara padayoscha. Pratyaya uttara padayoho cha. Right?
Mhm.
If you do some sandhi vicheda, what do you get?
Pratyaya uttara
Pratyaya uttara
Pratyaya.
padayoho.
padayoho.
Vitarita dvandva samasa, right? Pratyayascha, see.
Uttara padascha.
Pratyayascha uttara pada.
Pratyayascha
Uttara pada.
Uttara padascha.
uttara
Padascha.
padascha. Uttara padam is Sapumsakalinga. Uttara padam cha you have to say, right?
Padam cha. Okay.
Becomes pratyaya uttara, here also samasa. Pratyaya uttara pada, shashti vibhakti is padayoho, right? Then a plus o is o, pratyayottara padayoho. That's what is here. Vitarita dvandva samasa, right?
Okay.
Pratyayatvara, pratyaya uttara, pratyayah cha uttara padam cha pratyayottara pade.
Padayoho.
Tayoho pratyayottara padayoho, right? I'm just writing the samasa of the word pratyayottara padayoho. Itaretara dvandva samasa. It is itaretara. Itaretara dvandvaha. Pratyayascha uttara padam cha. You know, when you write, we can do sandhi also. I'm just writing for understanding like this. It becomes pratyayascha, right? Uttara padam cha, this will become
Padancha.
padam cha. Pratyayascha uttara padam cha pratyottara pade. It is 1, 2. Padam pade padani. Tayogo shashti vibhakti dvivachanam. Pratyottara padayogo, right?
Yes.
Itereta danda. Now, this is a sutra. Now, I write the Kashika. We'll take from just copy from there. We can see that 7 to 98. This is Anga section. Ekavachane iti anuvartate. That's okay. Pratyaye uttarapadecha. It means what? When pratyaya follows, or uttarapadam, parataha, ekavachane vartamana yogo. Important. Ekavachane anuvartate. Ekavachane vartamana yogo. Yushmat asmadoho. That is what we are interested in. Yushmat shabda. Asmat shabda. Yushmat asmadoho. Then what is the maparyantasya swa ma ityetau adeshau bhavataha. What do you understand?
So tava is replaced by tva and mama is
Ma
replaced by
paryantasya.
ma.
No?
No.
Ma paryantasya. Ma.
What is that? Please see, I read again. Here I split the sandhi also for your understanding. Pratyaye uttarapadecha. When followed by pratyaya or uttarapada cha parataha. Ekavachane vartamana yogo yushmad asmadogo. Yushmad shabda and asmad shabda when it is ekavachan. Only ekavachan. You don't have no dvivachanam, bhagavachanam. Then ma paryantasya. What is ma paryanta? Ma paryantasya tva ma ityetau. Tva ma is not separate. This is tva. Tva ma. Tva ma ityetau.
Now adesha.
Adesha bhavataha. Now, sandhi splitting given. What will happen? What does it mean here?
That
From yushmat adoho
You take
to
Yushmat
ma
Shabda.
pare.
Yushmat Shabda. See, he says, take the example, Tava, Putraha, right? Is equal to,
Tva
now,
putra.
what is the Pratip? Tava is what Vibhakti, Shashti Vibhakti. Pratipadikam, Yushmat. So, Yushmat plus
Ye.
Nas.
Yes.
Putra plus Su.
So
The whole thing is Samasa, Pratipadikam. Therefore, Supodhatu Pratipadikayoho, look, you can apply, right? So, you by that you get
Yushmat and Putra.
Yushmat. Now, Yushmat is, here it is, Tava is Ekavachanam, right? Shashti Bhakti Ekavachanam.
Yeah.
Now, you get Yushmat and Putra. Not Yushmat Putra. Here something happens. Yushmad Asmadoho, for the Yushmad and Asmad, Ma paryantasya. Ma paryantasya tva ma ityeto adesho yatasankhya manudesha samana. That you have to note. Yushmat Shabda and Asmat Shabda will be replaced by Tva and Ma respectively, right? But where? That is the question.
Ma
If you say the whole Yushma is replaced by Tva, then what you will have?
For everything it will be then.
Tva Putraha you will get, right? Sankameshwari, this is what you said. Yushmat will be replaced by Tva. Asmat will be replaced by Ma. Then Asmat is replaced by Ma means then Mama Putraha will become Ma Putraha. That is not wrong.
No.
Tava Putraha will become Tva Putraha. No, that is not the form. Right? Then what is, why this word is there? Ma Paryantasya. What do you understand? Ma Paryantasya Yushmadasmadoho. What is Paryanta?
End.
Up to
Up to.
that.
Up to where? Ma
Makara.
Paryanta. This is the Baguri Samasa. Ma Paryantasya Yushmad Asmadoho Padayogo. Yushmad Asmad Shabda. Now, here, Shakara, Makara, then Akara.
Oh, up to Makara.
So starting from here,
Oh.
up to Makara.
Oh,
Ma Paryantam of Yushmat Shabda.
Oh.
Right?
there only.
That you replace it by what?
Tva and Ma.
That is replaced by Tva. Therefore,
Tva plus
if this is Ma Paryantam, it is replaced by Tva. What you will have?
Tvat.
It becomes Tva. Tva plus Ad, Tvad only. Ma Paryantam means okay.
Mama
Ma
there
is being included. Okay, sorry.
Ma
Ma Paryanta is Ma, not not Makara. It is Ma plus A. Yushma. Okay, let me write Yushmat. This is step by step. This is Yushma. Then Dakara, I am separating it out. This is sorry. Yushma plus Dakara. Then Putra is there. Replace Yushma by Tva. Therefore, you will have Tvat. Then Putra becomes Tvad is a Padam. Jalam Jashonte becomes again Tvad Putraha only. Then Karicha.
So Tvat.
You get the form Tvat Putraha, right? Understand? That's why we get Tvat Putra. Then we can add Su. Becomes Tvat Putraha, your son. Tvat Putraha, Tvat Putra, Tvat Putraha. Okay, I'll put it like a step by step. Let's see. Tava Putraha. That becomes Yushmat. This is Alokika Vigraha. Second step is, that is what Ma Paryanta is. Okay. Ma Paryanta is up to Makara of Yushmat. For our understanding, I am splitting this and Yushma plus Dakara. Then that is Yushma part is replaced by Tva. Therefore, you will have Tvad. Tvad Putraha you have. That. Then Jalam Jashonte you have to apply. And Karicha. Then you get Tvad Putraha. Right? The same thing for Mama Putraha. It will become
Asmat and Asma till
Mat Putra.
Ali, I told the answer in the beginning. Mama Putraha is Tava Putraha is there. Okay, good. Mama Putraha. Pratipadikam is Asmad. Asmad Putraha. Then here it is Asma. Ma Paryantam replaced by Mat. Then Jalam Jashonte. Then Karicha becomes Mat Putra. Mat Putraha. So that is the example here. Tava Putraha, what? Mama Putraha, Tvat Putraha, Mat Putraha. So this is a sutram. Pratyayottara padayoscha. Okay. You see the sutram now. Ma paryanta is makaraha paryantaha yasya shabdasya Yushmad Ashmadoho. And he has given example for Tadita. Tava ayam, it is a Tadita, Matadiyaha, Madiyaha. And other examples are he is giving. Because Pratyaha and Uttarapada both are there. Now we are talking about the Uttarapada, Samasa, not Pratyaya. Pratyaya means Tadita, etc. Those examples will come. Since we are dealing with Samasa, therefore we say. Right?
Yes, sir.
You can see one interesting here. Uttarapade example. Uttarapade tava putraha tvat putraha. Then tvam nataha asya. You are the nata, the master of whom? Tannataha. Mannataha. You know Mannata. Mannata Shri Jagannataha. Madguru Shri Jagadguruhu. Madguruhu. Again Samasa. In that Guru Shlokam is there. Mannato Shri Jagannataha. Madguru Shri Jagadguruhu. Madguruhu. Take the example of that. Mama Guruhu. Mama Guruhu becomes Madguruhu. Similarly, Mama Nataha.
Mannataha.
Mama Nataha becomes it is
Mannata.
Matnataha, right?
Then Mannata.
Then what will happen?
Mannataha. Yarahas.
Matnataha, then Yaraha
Mannataha.
Annatike.
Anunasikova.
Matnataha you can say, or becomes Mannataha.
Mannataha.
That's what Mannato Shri Jagannataha Chashti Tat Purusha Samasa. Mannata. Similarly, Tava Guruhu becomes Tvat Guruhu.
Tvad.
Tvat Guruhu. It is Tvat Guruhu only. Okay. Then Mamanataha, Tavanataha, Tavanataha will become either Tvat Nataha or
Tvannataha.
Tvannataha. This is the example is giving for Uttarapada in the Kashika. You can see here. Tvannataha, Mannataha. Ekavachane eva, only for Ekavachanam. You cannot do for Yushmakam and Mama, this Avayogo, we cannot use. Yuvayogo, Dvivachanam, Ishmakam, Asmakam, and all we cannot use. Ishmakam Putraha, Asmakam Putraha, that it becomes Ishmat Putraha, Asmat Putraha. Please note, let us do that also. Which is the Yatireka Udaranam. You can take that. You see, Yatireka Udaranam for Ekavachne Eva. You see, Yushmakam Putraha. Yushmakam, what would be? Yushmakam is Bhagavachanam. Yushmakam is Bhagavachanam of Yushmat Shabda. 1 minute. Yeah, have you written Nas everywhere? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yushmakam would be Yushmat plus Pratyaya is Am, Bhagavachanam, and Putra plus Su. I'm not writing everything. So, you know, here because it is Bhagavachanam, therefore the Ma Paryanta should not be replaced by Tva. But drop the Pratyaya, Am and Su. Then you will have
Yushmat
Yushmat and
Putra.
Putra. So it becomes Yushmat Putraha. That is valid. Yushmat Putraha. Paricha will apply, right?
Yeah.
Yushmat Putraha. Similarly, Asmakam Putraha. Asmakam Putraha will become
Asmad Putra.
Asmat Putraha. Asmat Putraha. What will happen if it is Yuvayogo Putraha? Yuvayogo, what will be the?
Dvivachanam.
So Pratyaya is Os.
And then also it won't be applicable.
Then also
Only
same thing
for
only. Yushmat Putraha only. Therefore, from that we don't know whether it is Vishma, Yuvayoga, Vishmakam, difficult to find out.
Mm.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is done. This is Shashti. Then the next sutra, what will it say? One more example here in the beginning. Some here I will write Ashwa Gasaha. I saw Ashwa Gasaha. Ashwaya Gasaha. Here, small note here. Chaturtyarte Shashti. Please note, this is Chaturtyarte Shashti has come. And one more example here. Padodakam. Okay. Padodakam is samasa. So what will be the here? Padodakam will be Padayogo Udakam Padodakam. Water of the feet, right?
Mm.
So that is Padayoga Udakam or water for the feet. Okay. Padodakam. It can be Pada. Padodakam is water. I mean, we say Padodakam Pitva, that is when the puja and all, we say Padodakam. We offer Pada Takshanaya, that water which is offered for the washing the feet. Argyam Samarpayami, Padyam Samarpayami, we say in the puja, right? So, Padodakam meaning Pada Rakshanaya, for washing the feet. When somebody comes, elderly people, Guru and all, we do Pada Puja, then Pada, we give water. If not, we give water, ask them to wash the feet. Pada Rakshanaya Udakam. But Samasa, if you see, becomes Pada Udakam, Shashti Tatpur Samasa. Pada Yoga Udakam is Pada Prakshanaya Udakam. Udakam for washing the feet. Pada Yoga Udakam. But what has happened is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. So here also Chaturtyarte Shashti. Here also in the meaning of Chaturthi, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa.
Is it Pado Dhakam? Another Pado Dhakam.
Pado,
Davekam.
yes, sorry. Pado Dhakam. Yes. Okay. So this is over. Any doubts here?
No, Ji.
So this is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Then the next one is, you see the Sutra Pata. Yes. Explain certain things. This Shashti, we need to know Shashti with regard to the Karaka also. There are 3 types of Shashti. I'll give some introduction, maybe discuss this elaborately in Karaka section or in maybe later. Shashti Vibhakti, Shashti is of 3 types. One is Shesha Shashti, Shesha Lakshana Shashti. There is a sutra which says Sheshe Shashti. In Karaka, there's a sutram is that Sheshe Shashti. Shesha Lakshana Shashti. Then another one is Krud Yoga Shashti. Another one is Krud Yoga Shashti. The third one is Pratipada Vidhana Shashti. Different types of Shashti. Now, I'll show you. You can see that Sutra Pata. Here, two, 3, 1 is deal with Vibhakti. Okay, where is Karaka? Karaka, please see. Karaka we already we saw, and we have to see further.
1/4.
It is in 1/4 section. Karaka, it is in 1/4 section. We have to connect Karaka with Samasa, but I'll try my best to do here. Otherwise, separately, you have to see. Karaka, 1/4. Karake. We know what is Karaka general, Pratama, Dvitiya, and all we have seen. Dhurumapaya Apadanam, Karaka, Apadana Karaka. Karamanayama Vipraiti, Sampradana, all these things we have seen, Sampradana Karaka. So Karaka is in 1/4 section. Kriya Janakam, Kriyanvayi Karakam. And that Karaka, Karta, Karma, Karana, Apadana, etc., they are ordained vibhakti. Where, by which sutram, in the which chapter, which section? They are in the third chapter of the third section of the second chapter. Anabhigite. This is a 2-3. 2-3, you will see. Karma. Karma is a Karaka. Right? Karma Karaka. And Karma Karaka, Karma will take Dvitiya Vibhakti. That is said by the Sutta. Karmani Abhigite. Anabhigite. Anabhigita is that which is not denoted. Undenoted Karma will take Dvitiya Vibhakti. Right? Ramaha Vanam Gacchati. Vana is Karma. Is it Abhigitam or Anabhigitam? By the Kriya Padam. You know what is Abhigitam, Anabhigitam?
Yes, denoting.
Yes.
Karma is Abhigitam or Anabhigitam? In Kartari Prayaga.
Kartari, karma is anabhigitam.
Anabhigitam.
Undenoted. Therefore, Anabhigite Karmani Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhavati. Right?
Yeah, it takes Dvitiya. Yes.
Karta is Abhigitam. Therefore, that is not told. That
Prathama.
by default. Anything Abhigitam, whether Karma or Karta, it will be in what Vibhakti?
Prathama.
Prathama.
That is why in Karmani Prayaga Karma is Prathama Vibhakti. Ramena Vanam Gamyate. Vanam is Abhigita. Karma. Prathama Vibhakti. Karmani Prayoge. So here, for Karaka, 1/4 section. For Vibhakti, 2-3 section. So Karakas are assigned Vibhakti in this section. In addition to that, other Vibhaktis are there. What are the other Vibhaktis other than Karaka Vibhakti?
Upapada
Sambodh.
Upapada Vibhakti. Upapada Vibhaktis are Saha-yukte, Saha and all will come, Saha-yukte, Tritiya, etc. We have seen, right? Saha Tritiya.
Sambandha is also no.
Sambandha is not a Karaka, Shashti Vibhakti. But
Shashti.
it is not really true. Some Shashti Vibhakti also can be a Karaka, and that is Krudyoge Shashti. I'll explain that. Generally, we say Shashti Vibhakti, not Karaka, with the exception Karmani Shashti, Kartari Shashti, and all it is there. That is called Krudyoga Shashti. Now, 3 types of Shashti I told. Shesha Lakshana Shashti, Krudyoga Shashti, Pratipada Vidhana Shashti. Now, first we will see Shashti. Where is Shashti here in this? Shashti Yetu Prayoge Shashti is there. This is not a Shashti we are talking about. There is, you will see Shashti Sheshe. You see that?
Yes, Jay.
2,
Yes,
3, 50.
50.
That is a Shashti. Sambandha Lakshana Shashti. The Sambandha Shashti we say no. This is Shashti. The connection between the two words. Sambandha, Dasharathasya Putraha and all that Sambandha, which shows Sambandha between the 2 words. So it is connected. Swaswami Sambandhadibhigi Sheshaha Tatra Shashti. Kashikagara says Shashti Sheshe. It's called Shesha Shashti. Or we can call Shesha Lakshana Shashti, whatever it is said. Karma Dibhyaha Anyaha Pratipadhikartha Vyatirekah Swaswami Sambandhadigi Sheshaha Shashti Vibhakti Bhavati. Yata Rajyaha Purushaha. Okay, it's a connection. Pashoho Padaha. Pituhu Putraha. All these are we know. Shesha Shashti. Sambandha with connection with the word. Right? This is Shesha Shashti. Now, the Sutra Pata, starting from year 2-3-50 onwards, please note. Start this 2-3-50. 2-3-50 is Shashti Shesha. Okay. 2, 350 is Shashti Shesha. Not starting. The starting I will tell you later. Now, in the Karaka, in the Samasa also we have Shashti, 2 to 8. Shashti, that is what we are seeing, right? Shashti. In the Samasa 2 to 8, what we are seeing, that Shashti, there also Shashti is there. Sorry, I went forward. This Shashti, what Shashti? This Shashti is referring to Shesha Shashti, 2, 350. This Shashti referring to the 2, 350 Shashti, 2, 350 Shashti. That Shashti is Shesha Lakshana Shashti. Shashti Sheshe, that is Sutra. So Sheshe Shashti. Sambandha Lakshana Shashti. When Sambandha is there, then Shashti Bhakti is used. That's what the Sutram says. Shesha Lakshana Shashti. That Shashti is what is referred to by the Shashti in the Samasa Vidayaka Sutra. Understand?
Yes,
2 to 8 refers to 2, 350. In other words, simple. By that, a Shashti Vibhakti can combine with any Subanta Pada and form a Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Right?
Yes.
Shesha Shashthyanta Subantam Padam Subantena Saha Samasyate Samasaka Bhavati. Yata Rajnaha Purushaha, etc. All those examples. This is the this Shashti, Shesha Shashti. Now, there is another Shashti is there, Krudyoge Shashti and Pratipada Vidana Shashti. I'll explain that also. We'll just see. In detail, we will see later. Krudyoge Shashti. Where is Krudyoge Shashti? It is Shashti Sheshe 2, 350. You can note. And that Shashti, you can see that comes as Anuvritti. Shashti Sheshe, Shashti goes as Anuvritti up to Shashti Sheshe, it is in 2, 3 section, 2, 350. Shashti, the word goes as Anuvritti up to 73.
73.
Right?
Yeah, 73.
No, 73. Up to 73 is end of the section. Right? 73 is end of the section, 2, 3 section. So now we are in 2, 3 section because the Shashti Samasa, that's what we are saying, 2 to 8, and the word Shashti, it is, for that I am referring to 2, 3 section where the Vibhaktis are assigned to the Karakas, and in here Shashti 2, 350 Shashti is there, that is Sheshe Shashti, and the word Shashti goes as Anuvritti up to the end of this section. Now in this section we have a Sutram, Kartr Karmanoho Kriti. You see that?
Yeah, 65.
2, 3, 65.
65, yeah.
What does it mean? And Shashti comes as Anuvritti. Okay.
Hmm.
Kartar Karmanoho Kriti. Kriti means when Kriti is Kridanta Pratyaya. Kridanta. It means Krit Pratyaya. Kriti is Pratyaya Krit Dadanta Krivanam you have to take here. Okay. Kriti means just don't take the Krit Pratyaya. Kriti is what? Kriti is Saptami of Krit. It means Kridantam. Okay. Pratyaya Kravane Tadanta Kravanam. When Kridanta follows, then Kartar Karmanoho Shashti. When Kridanta follows, Kartar Karmanoho Shashti. What is Kartar Karmanoho? What is Karta? Karta is doer. Karma is object. Now the question comes. Karta, in Kartari Prayoga, it will be what Vibhakti?
Prathama Vibhakti.
And Karma will be in Dvitiya.
Dvitiya
In
Vibhakti.
Karmani, Karta will begin
Prathama Vibhakti.
No,
Tritiya.
Tritiya.
Karma will begin
Karma in Prathama.
Prathama.
Now, Kartar Karmanoho, when associated with karma, the Kridanta in association with karma and Karta and karma, right? It will take that Shashti Vibhakti, it will take. What will take Shashti Vibhakti? Karta and karma. Krid Yoge, when association with Kridanta, Karta will take Shashti Vibhakti. karma will take Shashti Vibhakti. How you know Shashti? Because Shashti comes Anuvritti, right?
Yes.
Mm.
How can karta take Shashti Vibhakti? It can take Shashti Vibhakti. Karma can take Shashti Vibhakti. When? It has to be what? It has to be,
Kriti.
it has to be important.
Krit
That's why I
Pratyaya is
told you.
added.
No. Karta when it is Abhigita Pratama Vibhakti. Karma when it is Abhigita Pratama Vibhakti. Karta when it is Anabhigita Tritiya Vibhakti.
Tritya.
Karma when it is Anabhigita
Ditya.
Pratama Vibhakti. Right? Abhigita Karta, Abhigita Karma, Pratama Vibhakti. Anabhigita Karta, Tritiya Vibhakti, Anabhigita Karma, Pratama Vibhakti. Karmani Prayoga, right? Now, Karta and Karma take Shashti Vibhakti. It means it cannot be Abhigita, right?
Mm.
Can it be Abhigita?
No.
Abhigita Karta, Abhigita Karma, what Vibhakti it will take?
Pratama.
Pratama
Prathama.
Vibhakti. And Shashti comes as Anuvritti. Therefore, here the Karta and Karma must be Anabhigita.
Anabhigita.
How do you
Okay.
know Anabhigita? Don't forget, that is the Adhikara Sutram, Anabhigite.
Okay.
Under what section we are now? Anabhigite Adhikari. Anabhigite.
Yeah.
See, Panini Maharshi doesn't say Abhigite. He gives a nunch of Abhigita. When not denoted, then only we have to bother. When denoted, there is no problem, right? When Karta is denoted, no problem. When Karma is denoted, no problem. Because denoted will take Pratama. That is not said, but it's understood. Only when it is not Abhigita, then only it can take other Vibhaktis. We have discussed this elaborately in Karaka. Anukta Karta, Anukta Karma, Anukta Sampradana, Anukta Adhikarana, Anukta Apadana. All those things we have seen on tabular column. And with examples, we have seen. Anyway, you will not remember, I know, leave it. So, Anabhigita. So, that is important. When not denoted. So, when Karta and Karma not denoted, and Kriti is Kridanta Pada Yoge. When Kridanta Pada follows, then Karta will take Shashti Vibhakti, Karma will take Shashti Vibhakti. That is called Kartari Shashti, that is Karmani Shashti. You understand now?
Okay. Okay.
This is called, you asked me, remember, sometime before,
Yeah.
somewhere in
Karmani Shashti. Yeah.
Upanishad something came.
Yes. Yes.
Kartar Karmanogo Kriti.
Mm.
Krit Yoge, Karta Tata Kartar Karmanogo Shashti Bhavati. This is called Kartari Shashti, Karmani Shashti. Brahma Devanam Pratamassam Babhuva Vishwasya Karta.
Bhuvanasya.
What is Vishwa? Vishwasya.
Vishwasya.
Who is the Karta of the Vishwa? Brahma Devana. Vishwasya Karta. Karta is what? What is Karta? Karta is what Padam? I mean, you don't have to take that. You know the meaning. Meaning is not required. What is Karta? Kridanta. Trich Pratyaya, right?
Mm-hmm.
Karta is Kridanta or not? Any doubt?
Yes.
Trich
Kridanta.
Pratyaya.
Kridanta.
Krit plus Trich Pratyaya.
Ah.
Krit Yoge. Kartar Karmanogo Kriti. Krit Yoge. And Karta Krit Yoge. Kridanta Yoge. Vishwa is Karta doer. And what is Vishwa? Vishwa is
Karta.
universe.
Universe.
Universe is what? It's a karma.
Karma. Karma. Vishwas.
It's an object of doing. Vishwasya Karta, Bhuvanasya Gopta. Gopta is the protector. Goptru. That also Trich. Protector of what? Karta is creator. Creator of what? Creator of
Bhuvanam. Bhuvanam.
Vishwasya Karta, Bhuvanasya Gopta. Creator of Vishwa, Jagat, protector of Bhuvana, right?
Yeah. Correct.
That is what is Kartari. That's called Karmani Shashti. Example for Karmani Shashti.
Okay.
Karma takes Shashti Vibhakti Krit Yoge. That's called Krit Yoge. Krit Yoga Shashti. Now you see that Sutram. We are not, all these things we are supposed to see in Karaka. We'll see that. Okay. Krit Yoge. It means pratyaya tadanta karanam kridanta prayoge. When kridanta is there, kartari karmani cha shashti vibhakti ki bhavati. Therefore, what we generally say, shashti vibhakti is not a karaka. It is partially only true, not absolutely. Because karta taking shashti vibhakti, karma taking shashti vibhakti, krid yoge, that's all kartari shashti, karmani shashti. You can see example. Bhavataha shayika. Bhavataha shayika. Shayika is, I think, bed, I think. Bhavataha, what is shayika? What is shayika?
Shayana.
Your turn of lying down. Okay, anyway. So, bhavataha shayika. So, bhavataha, here it is your karta. Karta is shashti bhakti. Bhavataha shayika. Bhavataha asika. Karmani, apam srashta. That's why I give the example. Vishwasya karta. Apam, creator of. Srashta is Trijidhatu. Srashta, Srashtaro, Srashtaraha. Creator of apam, water. Right? Understand? So these are the example. This is an example for Kartari Shakti, Bhavataha Shayika, and Apam Srashta, Vishwasya Karta, Bhuvanasya Gupta, Mandagopanishad. Those are the example. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, why we say Kartru Karmanoho? Why not other Karakas comes other than Karta, Karma, that is Karana, Adhikarana, etc. Is giving example, counter example. Shastrena Bheta. Shastrena Bheta. Bheta is Vidirdhatu, split, the divider, right? The one who cuts. Vidyate, vidya. How? Shastrena. Shastra is Karanam or not? Shastra is Karanam.
Yeah.
Can you make samasa here? Can you join? I'm sorry. Can here Shastra is not samasa. Samasa, leave it. Shastra is Karana. Here, why it is not Shashti? Because it is Karana. Only if it is Karta and Karma, it will take Shashti. Here it is Karanam, which is used by the Karta, that Beta. Therefore, it cannot be Shashti. Counter example.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes. Yeah.
This is called Krid Yoga Shashti. Okay. Is it
Yes.
any doubts in this?
No, Ji.
The knowledge of this Shashti is important. So I told two Shashtis to explain two Shashtis now. One is Shesha Lakshana Shashti. Shashti Sheshe. What sutra? 2350.
2350. Yeah.
For your reference, we can write Sheshe Shashti. That's called Sambandha Shashti. Dasatasya Putraha, Rajnyaha Purushaha. All these are examples. Sambandha Shashti. With this only we always say in the beginning. In the beginning we say Shashti Bhakti Natakaraka, it is Sambandha Shashti. This is what it is, 2350. And
Okay.
Krid Yoga Shashti is 23. Just now I said
65. 65.
2365. Krid Yoga Shashti. Now, what is Pratividhana Shashti? See, we should have the knowledge of Shashti. That's why Karaka and Samasa, they go together. But anyway, I will explain this. This much is enough with the background. Then we will see Karaka later elaborately. Okay. The next one is Pratipada Vidhana Shashti. Pratipada Vidhana Shashti. Okay. The Krid Yoga, Sambandha Shashti examples we have seen. For Shashti, this, all the examples what we have seen. Tava Guruhu, Tava Nataha, Mama Guruhu, Rajyaha, Purushaha, all these examples what? Nanampatihi, Bhavagapatihi. What Shashti?
Sambandha Shashti.
All Sambandha Shashti only. Any doubt in that?
No.
Chetataha Prasadaha, Manasaha Satihi, all Sambandha. Everything they connected, right? Okay. Then, for Sambandha Shashti examples, already seen. Krid Yoga
This
Shashti.
meaning,
Huh?
Shamatamji, the Shesha means we have learned as reminders.
That's what it is.
Left.
After ordaining Shashti Bhakti, wherever to be ordained, what is left over? See, the word can be assigned, the Karaka, can be assigned Vibhakti, and Shesha means what is left over, what is the Vibhakti that is not assigned, by default it will take Shashti Bhakti. That's what Shesha Shashti. See, Karakas are 6 number, I've told. Then other than that, it is what? Come under Sheshe, put it in Shashti Bhakti. That's all. That's called Shashti Sheshe. More on that Karaka, Shashti Bhakti we'll see.
And Lakshana here it stands for.
Lakshana is characterized by that Shashti which is characterized as Shesha, as that's called Shesha Lakshana
Okay.
Shashti. Shesha
Okay.
Lakshana, Shesha Shashti, both are same. That word should not bother much. Okay, I can remove it if you don't want, if you don't like it.
No,
Same
no,
only.
it's okay.
It's all same
I
only.
was thinking, what is the
Here
importance
I
of
say Krid Yoga Shashti. Yoga means in Sambandha, connection. Kridanta
Gotcha.
follows the Shashti. That Krid Yoga Shashti.
Mm.
Shesha Lakshana Shashti. That Shashti which is characterized by Shesha. Shesha referring to the Shashti Shesha in 2350. The sutram itself is there. 2350. Shashti Sheshe. The sutram itself, Shesha is there. That is why Shesha Lakshana Shashti. Shesha Shashti will further we will discuss in this later. Shesha is not explained here. We will do it separately. Okay, what is Shesha? As I told, Shesha is
Samantha Sashti. Yeah.
Sambandha Shashti you can take.
Okay.
Sambandha Lakshana Shashti. Shesha Shashti. See, a word can come, it can have Sambandha with any of the Karaka, right? Karta, a word can have Sambandha with Karta, Karma, Karna, all the, and what Vibhakti it will be assigned? Assign Shashti Vibhakti, over. Shashti Shesha. Assign Shashti Vibhakti to all of them. Okay, then Pratipada Vidhana. There's another Shashti. Okay, and sorry, example we were talking about. Okay, Krid Yoge Shashti. What examples will give for Krid Yoge Shashti?
I asked before Drishtehe Drishtaram, that one.
Yes.
That
Krid
is
Yoge Shashti, some examples we'll see. Krid Yoga Shashti. What example? Many examples are there. I should give an example which is 1 minute. Krid Yoge Shashti. 365 Karmanicha. Okay. Apavada also it is there. 2314. 1 minute. Apavada. Okay. So I'll give the example for Krid Yoge Shashti now. Then we will see this further. In fact, you see the Sutra Pata. Shashti is there. The next sutra is Yajaka Dibischa. We are going to see that. There we will see the Krid Yoge Shashti. Or even I know I can tell you what is that. Yajaka Dibischa. That sutra we will see. Maybe then that time we will see Krid Yoga Shashti. Okay, I will explain what it is that. But let me complete this Krid Yoga Shashti example I'll give. Pratipada Vidhana Shashti. What is that I will tell you, then we can see Krid Yoga Shashti. Pratipada Vidhana Shashti is another type of Shashti. Another type of Shashti. It refers to Pratipada Vidhana Shashti. It refers to the in the Vibhakti section. Again, you have to go to the Sutra Pata. In the Vibhakti section, that is, Vibhakti section is 2-3. 2-3 is a Vibhakti section. 1-4 is Karaka section. In the Vibhakti section, Shashti Sheshe 2-350. The sutras which come after Shashti Sheshe 2-350. The sutras which come after 2-350. After 2-350 is, that is 2-351 onwards up to 2-357. 2-351 is Nyo Vidartasya Karade. Starting from there, 2-351 up to 2-357. Vyavahru Panoho Samartayoho. How many sutras are there? 51 to 57 is
8.
57, yes. So, this sutras are there. This Shashti, the word comes Anuvruti for these sutras. These sutras 51 to 57, which has got the Anuvruti of Shashti, this Shashti is called Pratipada Vidhana Shashti. This is called Pratipada Vidhana Shashti. The Shashti, the word comes as Anuvruti from Shashti Sheshe, from 2350. And for this sutra, 2351 to 2357. So these sutras, the Shashti Bhakti which is comes for this sutra, that Shashti is called Pratipada Vidhana Shashti. Pratipada Vidhana Shashti. When the Shashti has, the Shashti is, it's okay, Pratipada Vidhana is the name. You will see that later what it is. Pratipada Vidhana Shashti, that name alone you note it. Shashti Shesha is Shesha Lakshana Shashti. Pratipada Vidhana Shashti is a Shashti which is referred to by the Sutra 51 to 57. So, when a word is in Shashti Vibhakti and that happens to be Pratipada Vidhana Shashti, then it will not participate in Samasa. Pratipada Vidhana Shashti na Samasyate. Shashti Vibhakti which are referred to as Pratipada Vidhana Shashti, that is 2, 3, 51 to 57, those Shashti will not participate in Samasa. They are denied the ability to form a Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa by 2 to 8, that is Shashti Ava Sutra, Samasa Sutra. By what? There is a Vartika which denies that. Pratipada Vidhana Shashti na Samasyate iti Vachyam. Okay. So that is Pratipada Vidhana Shashti. So when Shashti Vibhakti Samasyate, then Shesha Lakshana Shashti will participate in Samasa. Krityoga Shashti, that also will participate, that is 2365. And this 2351 to 2357, the Shashti year, that will not participate in Samasa. For that there is a Vartika. Pratipada Vidhana Shashti Dana Shashti na Samasyate. Okay. So Shesha Lakshana Shashti and Krityoga Shashti, they will participate in Samasa. What is Pratipada Vidhana Shashti? That we will see the sutras in detail, maybe in the next class. 2, 3, 51, 52, 53. Then when we see, then we will know why it will not participate, etc. in detail. So 53 to 57, next class. Now this Krityoga Shashti. For that, further we can see some example today. Okay. Krityoga Shashti. Now, Krityoga Shashti, here I am giving examples here for Krityoga Shashti. Krityoga Shashti. I'll give some example. Krishnasya Kritihi. Kriti means what? Kriti is that which is Kritam, which is made, which is written. Valmiki Kasya Kritam. We say, no? Valmikena Kritam, Valmiki. Krishnasya Kritihi becomes Kriti is, it's a Krit Pratyaya. Tin Pratyaya. Kru plus Tin Pratyaya. It's a Krit Pratyaya. Kriti is derived from by the addition of Tin Pratyaya. It is Trilinga. So Krishnasya Kritihi. For the Kriti, who is a Karta? Krishna is a Karta.
Krishna.
Therefore, this is example for Kartari Shashti, and Samasa is allowed. Some Kartari Shashti I am writing for your example, but what we are saying Samasa. So Krishnasya Kritihi will become
Krishna Kriti.
Krishna Kritihi. So it is not Sambandha Shashti, not the Sambandha Shashti here, Trudyoga Shashti. By that,
Kartari.
Kartari Shashti here, Krishna is a Karta of the Kriti, what he has done. Therefore, Krishna Kriti. Then, even this example also we have seen, Atmanaha Jnanam. Okay, that Sambandha Shashti also we have seen there. Okay, Atmanaha Jnanam. What is Jnanam? Kridanta or not? Yes.
Yeah.
Lyut Pratyaya.
Mute.
That's why I said Jnanam, the knowledge for which the subject matter is Atma.
Atma.
So Atma is what? Karma. Karma is taken Shashti Vibhakti. Kridyoga Shashti. This is. This example anyway in Sambandha just in Shashti, not Sambandha Shashti. In Shashti example I have given, but anyway that you can bring it here. Okay. Atmanaha Jnana becomes Atma Jnana. Similarly, Brahmanaha Vidya, Brahma Vidya, same. Right?
Okay.
What Shashti is a Brahmanaha? Brahmanaha, what? It is
Subject.
Karmani Shashti.
Karmani.
Karmani Shashti.
It is, to distinguish, I am writing here, Karmani Shakti it is. So Shashti Vibhakti, which expresses karma. Karma is expressed in Shashti Vibhakti. Brahmanaha Vidya, Brahma Vidya. This is also Karmani Shashti. Can take Karmani Shashti, many are there, Bhuvana Sigupta, Vishwasekarta, Brahmanaha Vidya, etc. So only Kartari Shashti, Krishna se Kritihi, etc. Paninehe Kritihi. Panini Maharishi is Kriti. What is that? Sutrapata. Not only the Sutrapata or the Panchanga Upadesha becomes Paninehe Kritihi is Panini Kritihi. Right? Then another Shabdanam Anushasanam. Shabdanusasanam. Karma. Anushasanam, teaching, presenting. Anushasanam. Shabdanusasanam. It is Shabdanam is object for Anushasanam. Anushasanam Lyut Pratyaya. It is a Kridanta, Kridyoge. Right? And similarly, Gavam Dogaha becomes interesting. Gavam Dogaha. Go it is. Go is the Pratipadika. Go Dogaha. Doga is, what is Doga? Doga is milking. Milking of the cows. The cow, they are the object. Therefore, Go Dogaha. Right? Then I think this many examples is fine. These are example for the Yoga Shashti. For Kartari Shashti, Karmani Shashti, different examples we have seen. Okay. And there here, you know Tridyoge, right? You see the Sutra Pata, Tridyoge, 2 now. Na nirdharane, na, negation is there for Shashti Bhakti. Yajakadi Bhishta, we will see that later, after this. And na nirdharane, na is negation. Shashti Vibhakti, that is Samasa, cannot happen for this. 2:10 to 2:16, Kartari chapter. Now, in between Trijakabhyam is there, Trijakabhyam Kartari. What is Trijakabhyam? Among the Kridanta, Trija is Trich. And Aka is Nul. They are Kridanta, right?
Yes.
So Trijakabhyam Kartari, then Samasaha na bhavati.
Oh.
So if it is a Trich Pratyaya, Trich Kabhyam Kartari, that is important. Trijakabhyam Kartari, Samasaha na bhavati. Shashti Samasaha na bhavati, na nirdharane, now all these things are there. So if it is, then Samasa cannot happen. Trijakabhyam Kartari. I'll just give one example. Maybe we'll see that in detail in the next class. With this, we'll stop here. Trijakabhyam. One example I'll give for Trijakabhyam. Because Shashti we are discussing, so I'll give one example. Gatana Nirmata, Karta. Ghatanam karta. Karta is krit or not? Krit pratyaya, kridanta or not?
Yeah, trich. Yeah.
Trich. I take the example of trich.
Mhm.
Ghatanam karta.
That will
That
not take,
is
sir.
kartari
Shashti word.
arte. Trich pratyaya, aka pratyaya, if are there, right? In kartari arte, then that trijanta, that kridanta, then which will not combine with is subanta. Samasa cannot happen.
Mm.
So Ghatanam nirmata, you cannot say Ghatanam karta, Ghatanam nirmata, you cannot say Ghata karta. No. So nirmata is trich pratyaya. So kartari, artha, trich pratyaya, nul pratyaya are added. Now, with that, subanta cannot combine. A subanta cannot combine with a kridanta having the krit pratyaya, trich or aka. Aka is the null. So therefore, Ghatana nirmata, you cannot make samasa here. You cannot join this. Ghatanam karta. You
So
cannot
yeah,
make.
akka we are doing Kumbhakaraka. That
Huh?
is Kumbhakaraka we do with
That is
Lut.
different. Upapada samasa, that is.
Oh, okay.
And kru is not trich, kumbhakaraha. Right? Similarly, there's another example for this. Odanasya pachakaha. Pachakaha is null. Right? Karta. Pachaka is null. Right? Pachdhatu plus
Yes.
null.
Yeah.
And pachaka odanasya. So, subantam padam, that trich anta kridanta, krit prakritika subantam, and kridanta is the trich anta or null anta, but that cannot combine and make samasa. That is what Trijakavyam kartari. Oh, sorry. I'm not showing the screen, I'm typing. Okay, sorry. Ghatanam karta. I typed it, I didn't show the screen. Ghatanam karta, you cannot say Ghata karta. Negated. Trijakavyam kartari, that sutra negates the formation of karta. Similarly, Odanasya pachakaha, that also is negated. Samasa is negated by the sutra Trijakavyam kartari. Why I said this? Just now saw Kridyoge Shashti, but here it is negated. So you have to note the negation. Okay. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
And the example what I given for Kridyoge Shashti, you can see. I give the example of Krishnasya kritihi, Panege kritihi. These examples only I gave. Trijakavyam kartari, it doesn't allow trich anta and null anta kridanta to form samasa. Right? Okay. I think we will stop here. So we'll see elaborately on what we discussed in the next class. This is only an introduction. Okay. Pratipada Vidhana Shashti and all other sutras are there. That also we will see what it is. If you have any doubts, please ask.
No, Ji, nothing.
So more on the negation we have to see for Shashti Tatpurish Samasa. Only one sutra is the Shashti over. And the Purva Nipata is there in the beginning, a few sutras, 2 or 3 that you have to see. And more on negation. Then it will not happen. That is alone is the focus. That alone will be the focus. We'll see that. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶ್ರೀ.
Even
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
in Vishwasikarta, Bhuvanasikarta, Mundagopanishad, Samasa not happen. Karta, Trish, Gopta,
Yeah.
Trish. Samasa, no Samasa there.